Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin immediately. Wash your hands and take off heavy makeup so the wash can work on skin, not products. Wet your face with lukewarm water to open pores just enough, not to irritate. Pump 1 to 2 pumps of Plum Face Wash into your palms, rub to form a gentle foam, and then apply the foam to your forehead and cheeks. This step primes the skin and ensures the cleanser spreads evenly, so you get effective cleansing without overuse. Once lathered onto your skin, use your fingertips to massage in small circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. This lets active ingredients dissolve oil and unclog pores. Make sure to give extra attention to the T-zone and hairline where grime accumulates, while avoiding the immediate eye area to prevent stinging. After massaging, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until the foam is gone, checking along the jawline and neck. This sequence balances cleansing power with gentleness to maintain barrier health. Dry your face by gently patting with a clean towel so you preserve moisture and avoid irritation. Once done, apply your toner or serum and finish with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. If it's daytime, make sure to follow with sunscreen. If you notice persistent stinging, burning, or redness, stop using the product immediately, rinse thoroughly, and perform a patch test later to identify sensitivity. This troubleshooting step prevents further reaction and guides safer future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.